Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go! Hey yo 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 oh oh oh! Buckle up for TexasWolfArt, a global adventure, a work of art.
Hello everyone. Today in this video I will be drawing Alex Ross Spider-Man Custom Costume Montage from Spider-Man 2002. Let's get started.
Be sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos, leave a like, and also leave a comment down below to see what else you want me to make.